two teams maintain separate product lists. Before merging them, you need to know which products appear in both, which are unique to each list. Let me show you how SheetDiff's Duplicate Finder answers that in seconds. I have two product catalogs, a US list with 12 items and an EU list with 10. Some products are sold in both regions, some are regional exclusives. Just by looking, it's hard to tell which are which. In Settings, I switch to Duplicate Finder mode and choose the SKU column as the matching key. This is the product code that should be unique per product. Which sheets to scan? I'll pick those when I run the comparison. Save. I run the comparison and the Compare Picker opens. I check both catalogs, the button updates to show how many sheets I've selected. I click Scan, the engine checks all 22 rows across both sheets, and a moment later, it identifies which stock key units appear in both catalogs and which are exclusive to one. The report groups everything clearly. Yellow rows are duplicates, products found in both catalogs. The Found In column tells you exactly where, sheet name, and row number. For example, SKUPRD-1005 appears in US_catalog row 6 and EU_catalog row 4. White rows are unique, products exclusive to one region. The blue highlighted column is the key I chose for matching. Every duplicate pair is grouped together with alternating shading so you can scan quickly. You can also match on multiple columns. Here I add category as a second key. Save and rerun the comparison. Picking the same sheets again in the Compare Picker. Now a row is only a duplicate if both the SKU and the category match. This caught a case where the same SKU was categorized differently in each region. It's now flagged as unique instead of duplicate. That's the Duplicate Finder. Instant cross-sheet deduplication with clear, color-coded results showing every duplicate and every unique row. Perfect for merging lists, reconciling datasets, or cleaning up before an import. Available inside SheetDiff for Google Sheets.